Is that a screwdriver?
Shop shenanigans today on the cars. We have Rachel's car right here on the left. Doing a clutch in this girl right now. Kyle is knocking this thing out. We're about ready to get the trans out. We don't have one triple square, so we gotta go try to locate that right now. We got the new AFE filter put in the car. No more of this old filter. This thing was like pretty freaking rowdy, pretty ruined. It had a hole in it right there. You gotta go all the way in the top of it.
I know, but it's... Oh, okay, I get it. Sorry.
All right, so we got to get to the bolts all the way at the top back there. They are 16 points. So we got this long extension we've created. Go up in here.
I don't see if this is gonna work.
Eric, can I go over the other side?
Dude, I can't even. There is no way.
You need more extension.
I don't have enough PP for this move. That doesn't look like a 16, does it?
No, it's way bigger. One down.
Yeah, they use a transmission jack when they do this. We don't have one of those.
No, we don't. We need one.
Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, that's awesome. Yeah. What do we do now?
Trans is out. I thought we about lost it there for a second. We were having a cart difficulty, a cart failure, but we got it. Trans looks pretty insane. Look at this thing. It looks weird. That's awesome though. Got this bad boy out. We are held up by a jack right now. We put 90% of the weight on the front of the cart. It's bolted together to the cart.
You know, when we get this clutch out, this thing's gonna balance out because this clutch weighs 8 tons.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure.
It's like a clutch and flywheel assembly. Yeah, that was something.
Man. New goodies, new goodies. Spec clutch, LUK flywheel, going in the car, dual mast, you know, keep it stock, keep it friendly, even though the car's not stock.
Look at that, that's pretty. This thing's blue.
Audi is having half her heart taken out. Freshen up a little bit. She was a little slack. Not too bad, but definitely not the best. Heat marks, all the good stuff.
I'm like using all your ammo.
Yeah, that's fine. We got a case.
We're not gonna live very long.
Here for a good time, not a long time.
Not good for your health.
Thing is nasty, dude. Clutch is in there. We got the, Kyle, what is this called? Drive axle thing back in here?
Yeah, drive axle.
All right, yeah, we got the drive axle thing back in here, so we don't keep losing 2 quarts of trans fluid. We got to put it back in later. It was really clean, though. That's a plus. So very clean, very good. But yeah, this is in, so now we got to lower the car back down, put the trans back in there, line this bell housing up, and that's going to be fun. There's a cereal bar in Charlotte I've been really wanting to go to. Found out about it recently, so I think we're going to try to send it right now. It's like 10 o'clock at night, you know, they don't close till 1 though, because it's a bar, you know, they serve cereal, so, yeah.
Okay, let's think. What are we doing here? Is it like, it needs to come this way, right?
To you?
You think so?
Yes.
It's definitely
Well, it's
crooked.
cleared up the front.
No, it's definitely crooked.
Well, yeah, but we can roll the car. I can twist, twist it. There you go. Look at you.
Yeah. You got the good angle.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually solid.
Okay, well, we're getting pretty close here.
I know. Can you jack yours up?
Yeah, I've been jacking it up. It's not much clearance, but... Ow. Pretty sure we're so close though. Like, look how close we are. Holy cow.
Okay, yeah, we gotta go in though.
Yeah.
We're because that's why we're hitting a downpipe. I need to be past this little fucking belt burst.
You push it?
Can I push it? I mean,
To go to you with the whole thing. Ever so slightly.
oh my god, dude.
I think it may have did it. Alright, let's go up a little bit more.
Okay.
How much you got?
I'm probably about max capacity.
Is that a screwdriver?
It's a pry bar. What are you at?
You might be here.
I'm about maxed out.
You stop. Okay, I'm hitting on something, but I think I'm there. Where do you think I need to go? Where's the light? Where's that light at?
One eternity later.
So everything was going awesome on the Audi. Everything was going in. Kyle got all these bolts Loctited, everything tightened down, didn't break any bolts. These bolts are aluminum, they're like really lightweight and finicky, so luckily Kyle didn't break any of those. We got the new test pipes in, O3 Motorsports trans braces in, all that good stuff. We're into one slight problem. Let me show you what the problem is. Speaking of another S4 though, this is my buddy Edwin's S4. Very nice, very nice. Look at the inside of this thing. It is crazy good. Audi did such a good job on these cars. The interior is awesome in this. Edwin, I love your car, dude, if you're watching this. But now back to the topic at hand. What we have here is a broken power steering rack. This guy right here is supposed to go here when bolts tighten or whatever. I don't exactly know what happened. I wasn't present at the moment, but this thing broke off, unfortunately. So now we are going to have to put a new rack in the car. So yeah, very fun. Not expected, not what you want to see, but you know, stuff happens. You gotta do what you gotta do. So guys, that will probably be the end of this video right here. That's about as far as we can go on the Audi right here. Unfortunately, it happened. But hey, it happens. You gotta make the most of it. Look at the bright side. Now you get a brand new power steering rack in the car. All that good stuff's going in it. But if you guys liked the video, please leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. I really thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was cool, entertaining content. Got something different, you know, doing some maintenance, doing some stuff here and there, some customization, just having fun with it, getting all the people back together. Some awesome stuff going to go on this weekend, hopefully, doing some more customization to the M3 and just a bunch of good stuff here and there. So guys, if you liked it, if you like this content, you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. And let me know what you want to see in the comments below. What kind of content do you guys want to see? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys want to see, what kind of content, and I'll make more of that for you so it's more entertaining and provides more value for you guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you next time.